Hey friends, welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to talk about something really important for our bodies. That is food. Just like cars need gasoline to run, our bodies need food to stay healthy and strong. But did you know that some foods are super good for us, while others can be harmful? Let's explore the world of healthy and unhealthy foods together. The treats are okay sometimes, but we should not eat them all the time. Our bodies need a balanced diet to stay healthy and strong. Let's play a game. Are you ready?